In this video, I will show you how to simply create passkey for your TikTok account. Let me show you how. First thing first, go ahead and make sure you open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my TikTok app. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider. Go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Then scroll down right here. Click on security and permissions. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on account right here. Click on account. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on passkey right here. Then here you go. Create a passkey for easy login. So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on create passkey. So here we go. Create passkey to sign in to TikTok. What you want to do here is to go ahead and enable your passkey. Then go ahead and enter your passkey PIN. Save to passkey. So just like so, passkey has been successfully created into your TikTok account. We can simply click on here to go back. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about TikTok account security, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.